that, dude? Who's in there? Gavin? Nice, dude.
That looks insane.
Nathan needs to get out here. What is that?
Wow, that's some high-tech stuff right there.
Who is that? Who's in there?
I felt my heart shaking when it went by.
What? It's scary. Huh?
No, like it's just like it's different than a regular like.
Yeah,
I don't know.
That's not your normal stuff right there.
That was weird. Like no other year would you see that. I've never. Have you ever seen anything like that drive by? I don't know. A military helicopter.
Yeah, that's military.
Me and Nathan saw one like
Flag on there?
last time.
But the one we saw was
old,
like vintage. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
This is
the
new.
Newer version. That's like brand new.
That's cool.
You know how much that costs?
It's a lot.
We're talking about millions and millions.
Dude, I'm kind of into that stuff now. Like,
Who do you think is in there, though?
who knows, bro?
What kind of people are in there?
Manhattan Beach. Go to Gitmo. Yeah.